Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just heading out for a drive. Going to pick up the new Mortal Kombat 11. Going to trade some gaming, so I'm just going for a drive. There will be other stuff in this episode. Might get stuck into the Honda K24. Stay tuned, boys. There you go, boys. Just got Mortal Kombat. Go home and play it. Hey guys, we are back home. Got the VQ35 that was originally in the Skyline. Got the K24. I think I might actually pull the VQ35 apart first and just check out all the damage, and then anything that we don't need we can get rid of. Heads might still be alright on them, but I want to try to clean up this area a bit, so yeah. If you didn't know, we had to cut the crank to be able to spin the flywheel so we could get it off the gearbox, so we could get the seized engine out. So I'd really like to tear that apart and yeah, see what's going on. What do you guys think? You want to see the K24 teardown or the VQ35 teardown? Comment down below, guys. Yeah, I'll see you next episode. So please comment. I will most likely do the VQ35, just so I can free up some space. Hopefully we can get rid of these batteries. Yeah. Dad's really getting stuck into the Mazda as well. He's been doing some panel stuff. Still haven't done anything with this yet. Here's his Honda seats for the Mazda. Where'd the panels go? Huh. Anywho, I'll catch you next episode. Bye.